Comfy.
So comfy.
Tight quarters. Okay, we made it to Split an hour and a half later than we expected, and we have to leave in 15 minutes for a boat. This is a very quick apartment tour, Airbnb tour. She's small, she's cute. Katie got pizza, and that's it, that's literally it.
Oh, I locked it.
Katie locked it, I can't show you outside. Good, we're safe. That's it. We are quite literally running out the door. Do you think we'll make it? We have 9 minutes. This is what we're wearing, outfit! I can't believe it. Fun! Burgers and wine.
Look at fun.
Ready? Set? Go!
Good question.
Thank you. That is gorgeous.
They're charging like 35 kunas.
I'm gonna cry. Should I risk my life for this? Would you? If you were allergic, you would risk it all for that?
I would. I mean,
At least give us a review.
it's like a fluffy focaccia. Like a good
Crunchy
Yeah.
exterior. The olive oil and garlic smell is enough to send me over the edge, so I'll be here with this and this. And I might risk it all, so if this video ends here, then I ate it. Okay, that wiped us out today, but that was so fun. And now, we just woke up from a 2.5-hour nap. I'm eating peanuts and chomps and water. Katie's eating, look at this, homemade charcuterie on a napkin. Okay, we got some cheese. This is the most beautiful charcuterie spread I've ever seen. Some salam.
Wow.
Wow, that's really gorgeous. And you gotta have a piece of salty sweet something. And you know, just a knife on the bed, on the towel, so that's good. We're up, we're moving, we're headed to get gelat. Got gelato. This place has gluten-free cones and non-gluten cones.
No, it is a gluten cone.
I mean non-gluten-free cone. Yikes. Didn't hit my dress though. Is it like a tapenade? I don't know that.
The camera eats before we eat.
The camera always eats first.
And so I canceled my flight. I didn't tell you. So then I got late. Look at that cute table duck over there.
Nerd! Never seen it. She bought a souvenir so she can take a picture of this. Here comes the nerd. Here comes the nerd. We're back. We're packed and we're just wondering how the heck suitcases get more full when you buy nothing as time goes on. So if you have any idea, please let us know.
SOS.
Help. By the time you're seeing this, it's too late though.
Oh man. Oh no.
Wow. I had an idea.
Yeah.
We could make suitcases that levitate. We'll make millions.
How are they gonna levitate?
We'll hire a guy.
How you doing?
I think I'm screwed.
can't wait to see the curve down there.
I can't believe it. Why? What?
You stabilizing yourself on the ceiling.
What the heck was I thinking of ever coming here with a 70-pound carry-on? Okay. It's upside down.
You're doing great.
I can't believe it.
Ready? I know you all missed my coffee course. I'm so tired and I just need it. I just need it to work. Okay. Wow. Look at this spoon.
I will never say no.
I love it, yeah. I love it, yeah. We ate breakfast here yesterday. It was so good, we came back. Breakfast before the airport. This is gluten-free bread, tomato, pancetta. Best scrambled eggs ever. You like yours? A lot? Which is better, the French toast or the eggs Benedict? Yeah? Fresh squeezed orange juice and catastrophe cold beer with almond milk.